I'm going to start this lesson with the right hand. I'm going to look for an E. To find the E, look for two black notes in a row, and the E is the white note directly to the right of those two black notes. The E that we want is the fourth one from the bottom of the piano keyboard. If you know where middle C is, it's the E directly to the right of middle C. This is the fourth C up from the bottom of the piano keyboard. This is the fourth E up from the bottom of the piano keyboard. We're going to play that E with finger 1, and we're going to play a G sharp with finger 2, and a C sharp with finger 5. Okay, so all at once. E, G sharp, and C sharp with fingers 1, 2, and 5. We're going to play them all at the same time. And from there, we're going to go to a C sharp, a G sharp, and a B with fingers 1, 3, and 5. So we have E, G sharp, C sharp to C sharp, G sharp, B. From the C sharp, G sharp, and B, we're going to release the G sharp and the B and play an F sharp and an A with fingers 2 and 4. The C sharp will be held down that whole time. So we have E, G sharp, and C sharp to C sharp, G sharp, and B. We're going to hold down the C sharp, releasing the G sharp and B, and playing the F sharp and A. Again, with the finger numbers, we have 1, 2, and 5 to 1, 3, and 5, release 3 and 5, and use 2 and 4. Now, just to be technically precise, I'm going to mention where there are some rests. So after we play E, G sharp, and C sharp, there's a brief rest, and then we come in with C sharp, G sharp, and B, and then to the F sharp and A. To be extra precise, let's count it out. 1, 2, rest, 2, 1, 2, rest. From there, after the C sharp, F sharp, and A, we're going to play C sharp, E, and G sharp with fingers 1, 2, and 4, and then we're going to release the E and the G sharp and play the E again with a G with fingers 2 and 3. So it's C, E, G sharp, release the E and G sharp and play E and G, and then we're going to go to a C, D sharp, and G sharp with fingers 1, 2, and 4. So from the beginning we have and let's count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we're going to do that whole part twice. So it'll sound like this. Let's now add in the left hand for this part. The left hand is going to start on a C sharp. To find the C sharp, look for the two black notes in a row, and it's the leftmost one. And the C sharp that we want is the second one up from the bottom of the piano keyboard. We're going to play that C sharp with our pinky at the same time that we play the E, G sharp, and C sharp. From the C sharp, we're going to play another C sharp an octave higher with finger 2, followed by an F sharp with finger 1. So C sharp to F sharp. And we're going to play each of those notes with one of the chords in the right hand. So, okay, notice we play the first C sharp with the E, G sharp, and C sharp. Then there's a rest. And then we play the second C sharp with the C sharp, G sharp, and B. And then we go right into the F sharp with the F sharp and A, holding down that C sharp. So again. From there, from this F sharp, the left hand will go to a C sharp with finger 1, an A with finger 2, and a G sharp with finger 3. So we have C sharp with the C sharp, E, and G sharp. To the A, we're going to hold the C sharp in the right hand and play the E and G. And then when we go to the G sharp, we go to C, D sharp, and G sharp in the right hand. Again. From the beginning. And as I said before, we're going to do that whole part twice. Now let's add in some pedal. I'm going to basically press the pedal down every time I play one of the bass notes. Pedal, 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 pedal. Release. Pedal, 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 and release. And now I'll do it without saying the word pedal. And now let's go over the second part. I'm going to start with the left hand. We're going to start with a C sharp with finger 5, a G sharp with finger 3, an E with finger 1, and a C sharp with finger 2. So we have C sharp, G sharp, E, C sharp, finger 5, 3, 1, 2. From there, we're going to go back to the C sharp, and then we're going to play an A with finger 3, a D sharp with finger 1, and a C sharp with finger 2. C sharp, A, D sharp, C sharp, finger 5, 3, 1, 2. From the beginning of that part, C sharp, G sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp, A, D sharp, C sharp. After we finish the C sharp, A, D sharp, C sharp, we're going to do the first part again twice. In other words, we're going to play C sharp, G sharp, E, C sharp, and again C sharp, G sharp, E, C sharp. So from the beginning of that part, we have all right, now let's add in the right hand to this part. When we start on that C sharp, the right hand is going to start on a G sharp with finger 3. That's the black note right between the sequence of 3 black notes. And it's going to hold that note for the whole first progression. After that G sharp, when we come back to the C sharp, we're going to play an F sharp, and then we're going to do a trill. We're going to bounce back and forth between the F sharp and G sharp. Nice and quick until that progression finishes. And then we're going to go to an E followed by an F sharp and a G sharp. So it's going to sound like this. And the G sharp lands when the C sharp comes back in. And we hold that G sharp again for that whole progression. So we have and then we go to a C sharp for that last time we do the progression. Now I'm going to add in the pedal, and I'm going to press the pedal down every time we start over on that C sharp. So we have pedal, 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 pedal. Okay, let's do that whole part one more time with the pedal without saying the word pedal. And finally, let's do the whole thing from the beginning with the pedal.